You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts, coming back at that ass with another episode. Alright, we have a really quick, almost bonusy, a little bonus type of footage here, episode. I got a flat tire, which is a quick story or video, whatever the hell you want to call it, on IGTV on my Instagram. If you're not already following me there, follow me on Instagram because there is some content and I do little short skits and videos and some other funny type of there too. There's stuff there that you don't see here and vice versa. There's a lot of stuff here you don't see there. So follow me in both places. Here, obviously, you're watching the video, so you could like and subscribe right here. You can 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 subscribe right here. Hint, hint. Hit the bell. Don't forget to hit the bell. On Instagram, I am Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. Same thing, it just doesn't have the little colon. Doesn't have that in there, but just basically Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. There's some cool stuff on there and some cool pics and stuff and little short videos and whatnot. And I'm done with my pitch right now for you going to Instagram, which you should do. And you should follow me on Instagram as well. As I said before, I got a flat tire. I ran over actually a stop sign that fell on the ground. I ran over the bolt that was like how the stop sign's bolted to the post. I ran over that bolt. This is really the city's fault. This is the city is to blame here. They should be fixing my goddamn flat, not me. But we're gonna do a little quick video here of how to fix a flat. I'm not doing the whole how to change a tire type of thing because if you don't know that by now, I'm sorry your dad didn't love you. Life is rough. It is. If you don't know how to do it, there's a million other videos out there for that. There's probably even other videos for what I'm about to do here, but I'm going to do it in Soup to Nuts style. A little humor injected in there, you know what I mean? It's actually from my Murano, the tire. Come on, baby, go down. Go down, baby. Loosen the wrong nut. First, you gotta add some air. If you don't know how to add air, this video you ain't gonna get to the end of this video. So, as you can see, it's flat. It's a flat girl. She needs a boob job. Call the doctor. Call the surgeon. The compressor's probably about to kick on, so you ain't gonna hear at that point. See? Then you can get yourself some soap and water. There you go. Spray it on. Liberally. Don't be cheap with it. And what you're looking for is big bubbles. Right here. See it bubbling? See it bubble? Bubble right here. Big bubbles. Make sure I got all the way around. Just in case there's a second spot or something. It's bubbling and fizzing. Here's our guy right here. Yeah, I should have had my out already. Be prepared a little. My drawer. Good thing it's buried at the bottom. What you're looking for is a tire plug kit. They have these pretty much anywhere you can get anything auto related. Walmart, probably even Target, I don't know. Your Pep Boys, AutoZone, Napa, all that crap. You get online and I'll put a link below for like an Amazon or an eBay type of situation. But what you're looking for, a tire plug kit. And first you go with this tool, this guy. This kind of has some like rib twisty drill bit type of action. This kind of cleans the hole out. So you just grab it, go for it. What you're gonna do is find the hole and jam the tool in there and out. If you had a situation where you had a nail or a screw or something like that in there, you want to get in there with some pliers or something like that and rip out what you can. And then after, if there was a nail here, I'd rip it out, and then I would do this. Do a little up and down, and a little twist at the same time. Feel like Dr. Who should be doing this video with me. Got it cleaned up, and obviously it's pissing a little bit more. A lot of it more. What you're gonna do, with the kit comes these little like tar type of strips. You're gonna take one of the strips, and then what you gotta do is take this piece, put it through this piece. You gotta feed it through. So then there's a hole, there's like a groove or a hole. It's kind of like a needle on a sewing machine, sort of. So you want it to be about equal distance on both sides, give or take. You just eyeball it. Then what you do, find the hole again. You got stab in. You don't want to go too far where the asphalty rubber, whatever the hell it is. You don't want to push that all the way through the tire and underneath the tire. You want some of it to be sticking up. You need some of it sticking up. Otherwise, you've kind of lost it, and you have to kind of go or get another one going. But so you get it. So most of the percentage of it is in, but you still want a little bit sticking up. And what you gotta do, now grab the handle here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna rip up really fast. Like that. Boom. And she should be, I like to do is trim the tops off a little bit. These cutters suck. I didn't want to get my good scissors or good snippers messed up with this tar crack. A little tar to get on it, and you gotta clean off with alcohol or something. But there's still a little bit of a nub. It's not a big deal. And you gotta double check. Make sure you got it good. Make sure you don't get no more bubbles, no more airs coming out. You can't even see me. That's pretty much it. Good to go. Throw it back on the car. Roll down the road. The heat of driving down the road, the friction, all that crap on the road will kind of melt this in, and it'll kind of fuse it with the tire. So you're good to go with that. Let me give you a close-up of what it looks like. There we go. You see it kind of sticking up a little bit? That's the stuff. Oh, that's all there is to it. Very simple and easy. Any person can do it. You don't really need any tools to speak of. So nobody, you don't have to be a garage guy, a car guy, or anything like that. So that's how it's done. Don't forget to subscribe down here. Give me a like. Throw me a comment. Tell me I'm great. Tell me I suck. Tell me anything you want to tell me. Tell me, your relationship with your mother or something. Whatever makes you happy. I'll give you a little back and forth action, a little humor, a little psychotherapy. I am a licensed psychologist. I'm not at all. I know a couple things, but I'm not your guy for that. I just tell you, hey, it all, be happy. What everybody else thinks. Everybody. Drive fast, take chances.